Salutations and welcome to Psychonics, Divine Souls. Over the next 24 hours, there will be a major convergence of collective and celestial energy, a cosmic wave that might trigger deep changes in the body, mind, and soul. These transforming energies have the power to drastically change the path of those who are on the Ascension path. As we explore the secrets of our spiritual development and the mysteries of the cosmos, get ready to embrace this unique time. Come discover with us how this convergence will raise our consciousness, shed light on our inner landscapes, and bring us into harmony with the higher frequencies that are currently sweeping our world. Together, let's dance through space with open hearts and aroused souls, prepared to welcome the divine metamorphosis that lies ahead. We are going to witness a major alignment of heavenly and group energies over the course of the next day, which will cause substantial changes in the body, mind, and soul. These energies are catalysts for profound transformation rather than merely transient cosmic occurrences for people on the Ascension path. Here's what to anticipate as these potent energies permeate our bodies. Unusual sensations and increased sensitivity are possible. You may experience heightened awareness of the subtle forces in your body, almost as if you can feel the essence of your own being. Additionally, during this time, your body may begin a cleansing process in an effort to clear out any stagnant energies and make room for higher frequencies to enter your system. Paying attention to your body's cues becomes crucial. Make sleep your top priority, drink enough water, and eat healthy meals to fuel your body. Now is the moment to treat yourself gently and to cherish the body that houses your soul. You can be experiencing a mental whirlwind of feelings, ideas, and realizations. It's possible for ideas, old behaviors, and habits to arise, calling for your attention and pushing away things that no longer serve you. This can be a difficult yet liberating process that opens doors to fresh viewpoints and heightened awareness. It's crucial to maintain your composure and sense of reality during this mental upheaval. Maintain your equilibrium by practicing mindfulness, keeping a journal, and going outside. These exercises provide you with a solid base and help you stabilize while you move through these profound mental changes. The energetic shift presents a significant chance for spiritual development and expansion. There is less of a barrier between the material and spiritual worlds now, which makes it easier to receive intuitive wisdom and develop psychic abilities. You can experience a stronger sense of oneness with God, as though the cosmos is speaking to your soul in whispers. This is the moment to reflect, pray, and try to have a conversation with your higher self. You can feel oneness with all creation when your heart expands and your ego vanishes. With an open heart, welcome this spiritual awakening and let the divine spirit lead you to your fullest potential. Our spiritual progress is intended to be accelerated by these transforming forces. Even though the path can feel turbulent at times, in the end it helps us better comprehend who we are, strengthen our relationship with God, and bring love, wisdom, and meaning into our lives. We may gracefully integrate these new energies and emerge as more powerful and authentic versions of ourselves if we approach these changes with openness and a readiness to give up control to the cosmos. The waves of energy can hasten the process of your waking and cause significant changes in your state of awareness as they pass through. These changes could feel chaotic, like the fundamental fabric of your reality is being torn apart and reassembled. But there's more to this turmoil than meets the eye. It will lead you to a more profound awareness of yourself, a closer relationship with the divine, and a life that has meaning. It becomes imperative to embrace change with bravery and trust in the face of these changing currents. Think of yourself like a leaf being carried by a holy river even in the midst of turbulence. Trust the flow. You enable yourself to be directed toward your greatest potential by giving yourself over to this divine process. Your inner and exterior worlds will become more harmonious as these energies realign you, drawing opportunities, people, and circumstances that are in line with your soul's purpose. It's possible that you'll be drawn to relationships and new experiences that seem to have been carefully planned for you, as if everything is falling into place just so. However, as the new energies interact with your own energy fields, this realignment may also cause strong emotions and reactions. Unresolved traumas and old scars may resurface and want to be healed. This is a normal stage of the procedure, a clearing that is required to create room for fresh development. Being aware of your surroundings becomes your compass in these choppy waters. Take time to reflect on yourself and give yourself permission to investigate and comprehend these strong feelings without passing judgment. Energy work, meditation, and holistic therapies are examples of healing modalities that can offer assistance and facilitate your easier integration of these new energies. When you accept these experiences with awareness, you can turn obstacles into chances for significant personal development. Every uncomfortable experience serves as a springboard for becoming more genuine and in tune with who you are. Have faith in the process. It is leading you to a peaceful life where the light of God illuminates your path and your inner truth comes through. Giving up on the wisdom of the cosmos is crucial in the face of these deep changes. This is an evolutionary route that is being led by forces that are much bigger than our comprehension. Accept the way things are going and have an open mind to the mysteries of the universe, believing that everything is being planned out by God. Let go of your attachments to expected results and ideas. Give up strict expectations and let the cosmos do surprising miracles. You become unbound by the constraints of the past and enter a world of boundless possibilities by doing this. Have unshakable faith in the goodness of the universe. Recognize that every experience, no matter how difficult, serves a more significant role in the development of your spirit. Have faith that the universe is working for your good, directing you toward development, recovery, and enlightenment. Every instant is a priceless fragment of the enormous, lovingly constructed, and wisely constructed tapestry that is your life. As you move through this time of transition, remember that everything is interrelated. Each goal, action, and idea adds to the overall fabric of existence. Your personal decisions have an impact on the world that extends beyond your direct awareness. Reach your full potential as a divine being and become an active co-creator. It is within your ability to create a new world that is a reflection of your innermost desires and realities. This is a summons to realize who you really are, to channel the divine energy that resides within you, and to create a life that is deeply meaningful and fulfilling. Open your heart to the new energies and let them lead you to a better place within yourself. Recognize how all life is intertwined and that you are a vital component of this cosmic dance. Your path is not alone, it is entwined with innumerable other paths that leads to a common goal of love, peace, and harmony. You can harmonize with the vast cosmos by accepting the new energies and letting go of the old ones. You turn into a lighthouse, brightening the way for others and assisting in humanity's overall advancement. This is your holy purpose, your divine mission. And now is the perfect moment to assume this role. Starseeds are called to rediscover their inner strength and limitless wisdom in this historic period of cosmic transition. In order to support the planet's ascension, these bright souls have willingly chosen to become human beings and bring with them higher energetic levels and their ancient knowledge. It's time to realize who you really are, a divine light awakened to your actual essence, and to use the deep wisdom that resides within you. This is the time to let go of everything that is impeding progress. To create room for new blessings, it is necessary to let go of limiting beliefs, old patterns, and stagnant energy. Accept abundance and true love as your inheritance, and let these gifts from God come into your life naturally. Number codes such as 555 or 1111 are the universe's way of telling you when change and new chances are about to happen. These sequences are messages from the stars encouraging you to trust the process and to reach your full potential. Deep changes are taking place on Earth itself, opening the door for spiritual awakening, higher consciousness, and harmony with higher realms. The changes occurring on Earth also apply to us, as we are being invited to awaken to our true essence as divine beings. Weariness, headaches, and body pains are examples of physical symptoms that may appear as we get used to these new Earth frequencies. These are indications that your body is readjusting, clearing up outdated densities, and creating room for the higher vibrating energies that are currently sweeping the Earth. It is a normal aspect of the ascension process, a cleansing that makes it possible for you to hold more light and become closer to your actual nature. Accept these changes with compassion and grace, understanding that each symptom and change is a step closer to your soul's true purpose. The transformation of the earth and your own personal growth are inextricably linked, impacting one another in a holy ascension dance. You can align with the vast cosmic plan by rediscovering your inner power, letting go of things that no longer serve you, and accepting the changes that are occurring both inside and outside of you. You turn into a lighthouse, a force for change that affects not just your own life, but the world as a whole. Starseeds have a mission to awaken, heal, and lead mankind into a new period of love, unity, and higher awareness during these transforming times. In order to navigate these revolutionary times, ascending people must establish a close connection with their higher selves. This relationship acts as a beacon of hope, offering direction and understanding in the midst of the constant change we experience. Accept this inner knowledge and let it guide you through the ups and downs of these energy changes. Self-care that is holistic becomes essential. Take care of your mental, emotional, spiritual, and physical bodies by engaging in activities that enhance equilibrium and overall health. Keep an open mind and remember that every moment has the capacity to bring about significant change. Making self-care a priority gives you a solid base on which to explore the enormous possibilities of this new era. These shifting energies hold great potential for profound healing, liberation, and personal development. In order to heal and let go of, rather than inflict suffering, past traumas and scars are brought to light. With compassion and bravery, seize this chance for healing, understanding that it opens the door to more freedom and development. Action as a group is necessary during this transitional time. We all help to create a new earth that is full of love, peace, and oneness as we heal and rise. Since our unique paths are interconnected, we can work together to bring about a reality that is a reflection of our deepest truths and greatest hopes. To create this new world, cooperate, assist, and uplift one another. Our collective strength is increased when we cultivate a sense of community and shared purpose, which causes positive change to reverberate far beyond our immediate circles. Remind yourself that you are not alone during these times of profound change. Make a connection with your higher self, practice holistic self-care, and keep an open mind to all the opportunities that await you. Have faith in the process, understanding that each event is a step toward greater recovery, liberation, and development. We are co-creating a new earth, a haven of love, peace, and harmony. With our hearts burning with the hope of a better, more enlightened future. Let us tread this path with bravery, grace, and unflinching trust. This is our spiritual mission, our journey, and our metamorphosis. Let your light shine brightly and embrace it wholeheartedly as we both enter this new dawn.